Band heater production process. Part 1 Introduction. Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the process of making band heaters. Essential components used in various industries to heat cylindrical parts like barrels and molds. Let's take a journey from raw materials to the final product, ready for use. Part 2 Brief explanation of band heaters. Band heaters are devices that encircle cylindrical components to maintain a specific temperature. They consist of a heating element, insulation, and an outer casing that is heat resistant. These heaters are commonly used in industries like plastics and rubber to heat molds and barrels. Part 3 Material preparation. The first step is gathering all the necessary materials. We'll be using metal sheets for the outer casing, nichrome wire for the heating element, and mica insulation to retain the heat. Part 4 Forming the outer casing. Next, we form the outer casing from the metal sheet. This involves cutting the metal to the desired size, and then shaping it into a cylinder that will wrap around the heating element. Part 5 Installing the heating element. Now, we'll install the heating element. The nichrome wire is carefully placed onto the metal casing, and then we add mica insulation to ensure the heat generated stays focused on the component being heated and doesn't escape. Part 6 Assembly and finishing. Once the heating element is installed and insulated, we assemble all the components, ensuring that all connections are secure and safe. We'll also add electrical terminals for power connection. Part 7 Performance testing. The final step is testing. We'll connect the band heater to a power source and check if it functions properly, reaches the required temperature, and distributes heat evenly. Part 8 Closing. Our band heater is now ready for use in various industrial applications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.